Hey, good morning. Mr. P here, Learn IT Mr. P. As you may have learned from watching some of my videos or reading some of my bio, I spent a lot of years working in IT, and then I spent a lot more years teaching how to do stuff in IT. So I'm going to put on my teacher shirt today, my computer science superhero shirt that I got from the CSTA years back, and give you a homework assignment as we continue down this pathway of building our own home lab network for learning different things. Your homework is very simple. Get yourself a binder, a folder, some type of thing that you can keep documentation of exactly what you're going to be doing as you follow along with me as I build my home lab. Um, Piece of documentation like this can be very simple. Just put down home networking lab and the date. This is from yesterday when I first started doing this work, and record all the different things you're doing. Now, when I worked in the IT field, it was very common that you had to have a binder like this or many binders as you documented exactly what you were doing with your computers on the day-to-day basis. Um, Admiral Grace Hopper very famously kept the very first bug, literally a bug that was found in one of the relays of one of the early computer systems, and debugged this system and put the actual moth that got caught in the relay inside her logbook, and it's labeled there. We found the bug in the system, hence the term debugging. And CS Education Week coincides with Admiral Grace Hopper's birthday. So a lesson for you today, or my lesson for you today, is learn how to keep documentation. And as you start working with your devices, you're going to write down things like IP addresses, versions of the operating system that you're using, some of the software things that you've done, any changes. You want to document that in something like this because it's a good habit to build, and it's something that you're going to say, what did I do? What did I set up? What was the IP address? Whatever you did, keeping a documentation with the day and the date and some comments. If you change something that doesn't work, you change something that does work, you want to keep that in there. So like and subscribe, and I'll give you a tour. Behind me, I have my Raspberry Pi running in default mode, and I'll give you that as my next video. Thanks.